Are you tired of dull, basic RV lighting? Let's compare standard RV lights with creative lighting solutions. Typical RV lights: limited brightness, bland design. Often they lack ambiance and style. Standard lights can be hard to install and control. Now, meet our 10 creative RV lighting ideas. First, dual-head LED lights, energy efficient, sleek, easy switch. Second, ultra-thin adjustable cabinet lights, modern, versatile. Third, dome lights, touch control, customizable brightness. Fourth, double dome LED lights, slim, easy installation. Fifth, built-in switch dome lights, reliable, modern look. Sixth, ultra-thin ceiling lights, low profile, wide applicability. Seventh, high brightness rectangular ceiling lights, uniform illumination. Eighth, LED emergency exit lights, compact, safety compliant. Ninth, dual head adjustable emergency lights, high brightness. 10th, minimalist water filter discs, clean water, easy install. Compare: standard lights lack customization and style. Creative RV lights offer ambiance, flexibility, and energy savings. Demo: see the difference in brightness and mood instantly. Regular lights: flat, harsh, uninspired. Creative lights: warm, inviting, adjustable to any activity. Installation is quick and hassle-free with our solutions. Control options: touch, switches, and color modes. Style: modern designs elevate your RV's interior. Functionality: enhanced lighting for cooking, relaxing, or entertaining. Ambiance: set the mood for every adventure. Energy efficiency saves power on the road. Upgrade your RV lighting for unforgettable travels. Choose creative lighting ideas for style and comfort. Don't settle for ordinary. Illuminate your journey. Transform your RV today with our top 10 lighting picks. Ready to brighten your adventures? Click the link in the description to find out more.